These are olives in brine, a recipe handed down by the generations of my great-grandmother from Dalia, Nova Calabria. So I'm putting 3 slits in the large olive, and in a smaller olive I'm putting 2 slits. In the really small one, just 1. This is the way my mother makes them, and they always turn out really good. I've slit the olives and I'm adding cold water. Let it sit and I'll see you tomorrow. It's day 2 and I'm draining the olives. This process needs to be done every day. I'm adding purified water. You don't need to, you can just use tap water. I'm just going to cover them. You can see they're starting to go dark, and that's good because the bitterness is coming out. I'll repeat this for the next 7 days. Olives have been soaking for 7 days. I've changed the water daily. It's time now to put them in the brine. I'm just going to drain them. The jars have been washed and cleaned, and you've got to make sure the lid doesn't have any mould or any rust, because that could end up on the food. So I'm adding a couple of cloves of garlic, 1 in the smaller jar, chilies, mandarin rind, and I'm going to place that in the bottom as well. Gives it a nice citrus taste. If you don't have mandarin, you can put lemon or orange rind. I have a litre of water, 100 grams of cooking salt, 100 ml of vinegar, and I'm mixing that together till the salt dissolves. While that's dissolving, I'm going to start filling my jars. I'm putting the bigger ones in one, and the smaller ones, I'll put them in another jar so that they mature at the same time. The smaller ones will take less time. I've filled them and I've pressed it down as I've filled them to make sure it's nice and tight. Salt has dissolved and I'm going to fill them. Fill it to the top. I'm just adding a bit of lemon rind to keep it down, keep the olives down. I'm not going to add the rind to all of them. I'm only going to do some. Make sure it's nice and firm. The lid. I'm labelling the olives with today's date. In 2 months then we'll drain them, and I'll put a bit of olive oil, garlic and oregano, and they're ready to eat.